Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well and like my previous videos. Today I bring a video to give you knowledge about one of the most required certification to reach on heights in your career in corporate or any industry. Before we go forward, I would like to request you all to support my channel by doing likes, shares and subscribes. Friends, I bring this video to share some knowledge about Six Sigma. I know when I said Six Sigma, you started thinking that you have heard about this somewhere. Don't worry and don't stress your mind too much for now. I will provide you information about it in today's video. Let's start. What is Six Sigma? Six Sigma is a data-driven approach to quality management that aims to minimize defects and variability in processes. It originated in the mid-1980s at Motorola and has since been adopted by many organizations across various industries. Six Sigma is based on the idea of measuring the quality of a process in terms of defects and then systematically improving it by eliminating the causes of these defects. It uses statistical tools and methodologies to identify and eliminate sources of variation in a process, which can lead to improved efficiency, reduced waste, and increased customer satisfaction. The term Six Sigma refers to the statistical concept of a process that is 99,966% free of defects or errors. Achieving this level of quality requires a deep understanding of the process and a commitment to continuous improvement. Six Sigma is often implemented through a structured methodology known as DMAIC, which stands for Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve, and Control. This approach allows organizations to systematically identify and address quality issues, measure progress, and sustain improvements over time to an existing process. Other than DMAIC, the second methodology is known as DMADV, which stands for Define, Measure, Analyze, Design, Validate. This approach allows organizations to systematically design a new product, or to radically redesign an existing process or product. Overall, Six Sigma is a powerful approach to quality management that can help organizations improve their processes, reduce costs, and increase customer satisfaction. What is DMAIC? D stands for Define, M stands for Measure, A stands for Analyze, I stands for Improve, C stands for Control. The Define phase involves identifying the problem or process that needs improvement. This could be a product defect, customer complaint, or process inefficiency. The Measure phase involves collecting data to understand the process and identify areas for improvement. This could involve collecting data on cycle time, error rates, or defects. The Analyze phase involves analyzing the data to understand the root cause of the problem. This could involve using tools like process maps, fishbone diagrams, or Pareto charts. The Improve phase involves developing solutions to the problem, testing them, and implementing them. Finally, the Control phase involves implementing a monitoring and control system to ensure that the process continues to operate at the desired level of quality. This could involve developing standard operating procedures, conducting regular audits, or using statistical process control tools. What is DMADV? D stands for Define, M stands for Measure, A stands for Analyze, D stands for Design, V stands for Validate. The Define phase involves identifying the problem and need to implement a new system or modify the existing system. This could be due to a product defect, customer complaint, or process inefficiency. The Measure phase involves collecting data to understand the process and identify areas for improvement in existing system or to introduce a new system. This could involve collecting data on cycle time, error rates, or defects. The Analyze phase involves analyzing the data to understand the root cause of the problem. This could involve using tools like process maps, fishbone diagrams, or Pareto charts. The Design phase involves developing solutions to the problem, testing them, and implementing them. Finally, the Validate phase involves verifying that the end result meets or exceeds the customer's requirements. This includes verifying the product is being made as it is supposed to be made, as well as whether it is meeting the requirements of the specification. At last conclusion/summary, Six Sigma is a data-driven approach to improving business processes by reducing defects, minimizing errors, and identifying areas for improvement. Its rigorous process and set of tools ensure that quality is maximized, and it can be applied across various industries. Six Sigma is a valuable methodology for organizations seeking to improve their quality management systems and stay competitive in their respective markets. To get certified in Six Sigma, you can join any online training program. Below are the levels of Six Sigma training. Level 1, Six Sigma White Belt. White Belt certification demonstrates an introductory level of knowledge to the fundamental concepts of Six Sigma. Level 2, Six Sigma Yellow Belt. Yellow Belt certification indicates that you have learned the specifics of how Six Sigma works, how its disciplines are applied to the workplace, and where best to concentrate your time as you learn the process. Level 3, Six Sigma Green Belt. Green Belt certification focuses on advanced analysis and resolution of problems related to quality improvement projects. Green Belts lead and manage projects, while providing support to Six Sigma Black Belts. Level 4, Six Sigma Black Belt. Black Belt certification signifies that you are an expert in Six Sigma philosophies and principles. Black Belts are known as agents of change within an organization who lead project teams. Level 5, Six Sigma Master Black Belt. A Master Black Belt represents the top of the Lean Six Sigma achievement structure. They have extensive experience and are leaders in their fields. That's all from my end for this video. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Please share your comments on this video, like this video and share with your friends, and subscribe my channel for more videos.